The first picture says Haza Baitun. What is the next one, brother? Haza Masjidun. Okay. And the next word? Haza Babun. Okay. What is the next word? Haza Kitabun. You will have to say bun properly. Remember. Dun dan din. You must say properly. Okay. Haza Kitabun. Haza Qalamun. Mun. هذا مفتاح هذا مكتب هذا سرير هذا كرسي. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Correct? Easy? This is easy, you know it. But now you got to memorize the vocabs and practice at home. Okay, inshallah. Can one of you read loudly, brother? Read it, Brother Muhammad, loudly. With bun, dun dan din, okay?
Haza baitun.
Hada baitun.
Haza masjidun.
Hada masjidun.
Haza babun.
Hada babun.
Haza kitabun.
Hada kitabun.
Haza qalamun.
Hada qalamun.
Haza miftahun.
Hada miftahun.
Haza maktabun.
Hada maktabun.
Haza sarirun.
Hada sarirun.
Haza kursiyun.
Hada kursiyun. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay, now we come to the next page. What is written there? Ma hada. Ma is used for asking question. It means what? There is a name in it, but we won't go in detail right now. Later on, we will go in detail and learn all the names that are for the nouns and the particles for asking question later on, inshallah. Okay. So when you ask a question, you say ma hadha. What is the meaning? Again, is not there. Ma means what? Hadha means this. What this? No, but it is what is this? Because the copula verbs are not in Arabic. Okay, linking verbs are not there. Ma hadha. What is the answer? Hadha baytun. This is a house. What is this? This is a house. Okay, brother. Now I come something here. Hadha baytun. This is a statement. This is a house. How do I change that into a question? By just putting Hamza. What will you say now? Ahaza baytun. But then you will have to put a question mark. And you have to even change your tone. Ahaza baytun. No, you're asking a question. So your tone has changed. Hadha baytun. This is a house. Let me write down properly. This is a house. Okay, brother and sister, this is a house. How about here? Is this a house? Is this a house? So this putting Hamza in front of a statement, brother, change it into a question. Are you with me? No other changes. Just by putting Hamza in front of a sentence, you change into a question. Are you with me, brothers? Okay. And what is the answer? Na'am. What is the answer? Na'am. Okay. Or if it is negation, you will say la. Okay, brother, what is naam and la? What are they? Are they nouns? Are they verbs? What are they? Write down in the little note, brothers and sisters. What are they, brother? They are called Now, brother, these are the things you are writing. I do not expect you to know everything tomorrow. Huh? But this little note that you are writing will help you later on. Inshallah, someday you will stand up and teach. Huh? So, you remember, everything in Arabic can be divided into 3 groups. And what are they? Nouns, verbs, and particles. Everything in Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. Okay. What is hadha? It's a noun. What is bait? It's a noun. Oh, then what is noun? It's a harf. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. And what is la? Harfu jawab. Okay, brother? You use here. This is also particle. Okay? But ma is ism. Now, I am only telling you, you want to write it down, you write it down. I do not expect you to know it by tomorrow. I don't expect you. Brother. But slowly, this thing will really make a lot of sense to you. When we do later on in book 3 detailed analysis of everything, then these things will come back to you. Right now, if you want, I'm just throwing at you. If you can understand and retain in your mind, alhamdulillah. If you forget, you don't worry. Don't blame yourself. Because we'll be repeating it, inshallah. Okay, brother? Ahadha baytun? Naam. Yes. Hadha baytun. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha kamisun. Remember, we got to pronounce it. Kamisun. Okay, brother? Ahadha sarirun? La. Hadha kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hadha kursiyun. Okay. Again, what is la? It's a particle. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. Okay. Ahadha miftahun? La. Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. Okay. Ma hadha? Hadha najmun. The pictures are there, so it's easy, but I hope you will put little time and memorize the vocabs. Inshallah, it will help you. Every effort, inshallah, will make you better and better. Brother, let me tell you one more thing. This is what I believe, and I always mention in the class. I'll mention it now, brothers and sisters. Some of you are coming from far, from Pickering, from Brampton, and maybe still further, I don't know, okay, from Oakville maybe. But every minute that you are spending to come to learn Arabic, the time that you are driving, the time that you spend at home to revise your lessons, to do your homework, the time that you sit in the class, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will treat it as your ibadat. You know why? Because we are learning the language of the Qur'an for the love of Qur'an. No other reason. No dunya here. Only akhirah. We are learning Arabic for the love of Allah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So every minute that you'll spend in the class, in your car, at home, doing your homework, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His infinite mercy, will treat it as if you are doing His ibadat. Because we are doing for His love and for the love of His book, inshallah. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا